Salami and Peach, got your partner, AAWRS1, dig it? Y'all know I'm a sucker for that beef lo mein, y'all. This is Bird's Eye, the new Bird's Eye Vaila skillet meals, beef lo mein, beef lo mein, y'all. Value size. Let's see what's lacking and clacking with the sucker, AAWRS1, dig it? Y'all know what to do. Go ahead and do it. Says lo mein with beef, bok choy, onions, and carrots. Let's see what's lacking and clacking in it, you ain't. It says 1 bag preferred. You add the sauce to the stovetop. You cover it and cook over medium heat for 15 to 16 minutes. And then the third step is to check it out to see that the food is cooked thoroughly. You can also cook it in a microwave as well. You can throw a half a bag or a whole bag in a microwave for 8 to 10 minutes. Then check it, make sure it's cooked. I think I'm going to throw it in the pan, y'all. AAWRS1, dig it. Y'all know what to do. Go ahead and do it. Slime meaning peace. Let's see what's like the clacking once again in the game. See what's like the clacking in the joint. Okay. All right, y'all. Well, hell, I guess we'll find the sauce at the bottom, huh? Let's see what's like the clacking. Found the sauce, y'all. I don't see too much meat. It just says remove the sauce from the packet before cooking or the microwave, so I'm gonna go on and dump it. Now we're going to cover and cook over medium heat, 15 to 16 minutes, stirring occasionally. And it says, careful, it's hot. Normally I don't eat no rice with a lo mein dish, but I'm going to do it this time. And upon there being any Muslims watching, inshallah, please make shifa for brother. I've been sick lately. That's another reason why I ain't been fishing. So you guys take care of yourself. There's bird flu. There's still COVID going around. So you guys be careful and cover yourself up out there, man. And inshallah, I'm going to make dua for the rest of my brothers and sisters as well for shifa. So please, inshallah, you Muslims, make dua for me and everybody else that's sick, for their families to be granted shifa. Oh yeah, it costs $11.97 for the family pack, y'all. Please forgive me, because you know I'm always forgetting something. Now I'm going to cover it like they said and handle that business. That's a hell of a cover, huh? Hey, you got to use what you're blessed with. Alhamdulillah. Let's check on it, y'all. My crazy self. Start to melt and start to smell good, too. Let's see what's like the clacking in the joint. We're going to spread that sauce around, y'all. Now, the next time I see you, I'll be serving it up. We'll go on the potty. Salami and peace. They go to finished product, y'all. Smell good, too. Let me serve it up for you. Salami and peace, got your partner, AAWRS1, digging with the Sunday grub with the beef lo mein for $11.97. Looks pretty good, y'all. Y'all know I'm out of soy sauce, and I feel that I may need some. Let's taste it. Bismillah. That tastes good, y'all. Rice, a little bit of salad. AAWRS1, dig it with the Sunday grub, y'all. I think it's cool. Need some soy sauce, though. Remain blessed. You and your families. Salam, meaning peace.